Good morning, Stephanie Cameron, the Stock Whisperer, here to tell you the whisper of the day. But before we get to today's whisper, let's talk about yesterday's whisper. Wait a second. I didn't do a whisper yesterday. You know, sometimes you guys, I don't see anything great. Therefore, I'm not going to trade, all right? Not every day is a great trading day. And yesterday, London, the market was closed. And I'm going to tell you, that's where most of the dark pool action occurs, especially early in the morning. So therefore, there really wasn't much pre-market action. Didn't see any great setups, but we did spot a couple of really nice prints that we're going to be trading off of today. But before I get to that, I want to talk about Thursday's whisper. Last Thursday, I told you guys to watch this EWJ. We spotted a really late print at 11:55. And guess where this thing went yesterday? Look at that. Right up to that dark pool level. Did not break above. So therefore, we're going to use this as a level. Bullish above, bearish below. No thinking. Also told you to watch oil. And to watch that 10 level. And look at what happened yesterday, right? Came right up to 10 USO and could not hold on to that. So that is definitely the big level to trade around. Going to be bearish on this, though, below 980. It found some support there this morning. Oil's pretty weak. All right, let me just put all up the futures for you so you can check that out. All right, watching the R1 level and the S1 level, unable to pull itself above that. So pretty bearish below that, as long as it stays below. And if the oil futures break below 38.50, a lot of room to go on the downside there. All right. Also told you to watch SAN on Thursday. Santander spotted some pretty big prints at 449, and look where it went yesterday. So you got to use these prints as markers. All right, bullish above, bearish below. No thinking. There was one trader that really stood out on Thursday. His name is Scott, but we call him Money Finger. This guy was rocking it on Nugget. And the best part about teaching is that my traders really learn how to read the tape, and that's what he used. He spotted spoofing going on the offer, and then the guy was taking it away. Therefore, he had some fantastic trades. We also spotted refreshing on the bid. So great trading money, and glad that you're learning a lot in the Job Street Trading Room. All right, so what are we watching today? Well, all eyes on Yellen today. It could be a little bit slow this morning until she begins talking in a couple of hours, but I want to go over some prints we spotted yesterday. There weren't that many, but on the SPY, all right, we did spot some selling at 203.15 area. We spotted I don't know, like 1.5 million. Not a lot, you guys, yesterday. It was really, really quiet, but I'm gonna draw a line right here to watch. All right, because there was selling here the day before as well. There's a lot of dark pool price action. So we're going to use that definitely as a marker. I spotted some big prints in the bond market yesterday, BND and AGG, but I do prefer to trade TLT. So you guys, we put on a couple of trades on TLT yesterday, swing trades. I'm going to be bullish above 130 on this guy. There's a really nice flag pattern here, and you can see it's broken out. Just draw this line for you. You can see right here it was the breakout, and there's definitely a very high-end target on that flag. Also, we spotted some really big prints on the emerging markets yesterday, around $33.35 and $33 and I want to say 42 cents, 43. So I've drawn some ones. I'm only going to be bullish above 33.50 on this EEM, and I'm going to be bearish below 33.34 actually, because the print was at 35. All right, so definitely keep your eye on that area. Also, we spotted The biggest print I think I've ever seen, you guys. FXN. Not quite sure what to make out of this. All right, you can see the big, look at these big gigantic prints. It traded, I don't know, 68 million shares yesterday. FXN, First Trust Energy. No idea what's going on here, but we're definitely going to use these levels to watch and trade around. So going to be bullish above 14 and going to be bearish below 1380 on that one. All right, you guys, so come watch me trade these stocks. And before I go, one more that we're watching. Natural gas heating up, a lot of volume on this UNG, but going to be bullish above 660. Come watch me trade these stocks and so many more at the JavaFit Trading Room at www.thestockwhisperer.com. It's only $9.95 for a 30-day trial membership. What are you guys waiting for? Happy trading, everybody.